One of the major features of driverless AI was the custom recipes so far in 1.8, the long-term support version. And 1.9 will add to that with new recipes that our Kaggle Grandmasters have authored, and we have ported over into the out-of-the-box experience for you. So there's more transformers, more models, more scorers, and also new data recipes that you can attach to the experiments as a pre-processing step. Let's say if you want to convert your date into the day of the week upfront one time in the pipeline, that can now be done in a Python custom recipe fashion that's part of the overall pipeline. You can also have scorers look at the full data, so you can do fair scorers, like not just the most accurate model, but the most fair model, right? Yes, please.
I was just going to comment here that I think this is a fantastic capability. And when you think about all the different use cases that organizations have, a single automated platform can't possibly solve everything that an organization has. You have to be able to customize to fit all the different use cases. And so adding all of these, the recipes and even the advanced settings give us just tremendous customizability so we can do more and more use cases for customers. It's great stuff.
Absolutely. One of the examples here is the zero inflated models. That's for insurances, right? When they have a lot of claims that are zero because nobody actually claims anything unless they have a car accident, then it's like 5,000. So there's a peak at zero, and then there's a distribution of non-zero values. And for that, you can make a specific model that's better than a regular model. And we did that, and that recipe is now part of driverless 1.9, and everybody benefits from this. So customers' feedback gets incorporated into the product, and anybody can build their own.